Hi everyone, this is Kyle from TerryTown RV, and today we're going to check out the 2020 Jayco Eagle 28.5 RSTS. Come back here, you got some storage underneath, both sides. Back here you have the outdoor kitchen, stainless steel grill, R-Vision mini fridge. Now inside we have the kitchen and living area in one with the modern farmhouse interior. Right here you have your TV area, electric fireplace, couch right here that pulls out into a full bed. Over here you'll have two reclining chairs, your dinette, nice big island, nice big fridge and refrigerator. The Furrion stove, 3 burner, and the oven. Back here, nice big pantry area. And up here, you have your bathroom, your sink area, walk-in shower, sliding barn door to go to the bedroom, queen size bed, storage underneath. Again, I'm Kyle Walker from TerryTown RV. This is the Jayco Eagle 28.5 RSTS. Check out our website, www.terrytownrv.com. Check us out on Facebook, TerryTown RV. Come check out West Michigan's only fall RV show here at TerryTown RV.